So, pagkatapos mo i-download yung free reviewer, one of the top lessons dun sa website, so yung website ko is callcentertrainingtips.com, try mong i-click tong lessons, tapos yan, makikita mo important lessons, tapos kung na-download mo na yung free reviewer, huwag mo nang pansinin tong part na to, kasi marireceive mo naman siya. Ito yung pinaka-popular na lessons. So, call center basics, call center lessons for beginners, call center job application and interview tips, call center resume tips, how to answer the question, tell me something about yourself, complete call flow guide, how to pass call simulation or mock call, how to pass the Versant exam, how to write a resume for call center applications, how to survive call center training. Tapos ito yung main na video lessons ko. How, from bad English to good English, call center basic, pronunciation practice guide, how to pass call simulation. So, yan. Pag nag-scroll down ka, ito yung latest lessons, mga blog post to. Tapos, nadadagdagan pa yan. Kung gusto mo makita lahat, click mo lang yung read all lessons. So, yan. Scroll down, latest lessons. So, pababa. Ito, hanggang dulo na yan. Ang estimate ko, mga nasa 1,000 lessons na to mahigit. So, pag yan, scroll ka hanggang sa dulo, tapos nag-backread ka, ewan ko na lang kung hindi ka pa matanggap sa call center. Yan, welcome to call center training tips. Sila nag-start June 2012. Well, June 2012 kasi yun yung bagong website. Pero nung nauna, 2011 talaga nag-start yan. So, yun. Start ka dito, at least alam mo yung history. Tapos merong button dito, back and forward, call center interview and suggested answers. Yan. Lahat yan. Biggest mistake when answering call center interview questions. How to answer call center interview questions. Ito yung mga pampadali ng interview. Review mo lang. Huwag mong tell me about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weakness, why do you want to work in a call center. Kompleto yan. Kompleto yan. Lahat ng kailangan mo. What do you have that other applicants don't? So, yun. Exciting, diba? Bukas ulit.